Yeah. Die line with the boom pow. Every week now I switch to a new style. 212s in the back just blew out. Everything I do end up in the news now. Yeah.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. So today we're going to be doing a bit more mods on the project car. So today we're going to be doing the headlights. We're going to be tinting them. I bought this, like, it's not like tint, it's not going to be black, but it's going to be I'd say, I think it's like a meshy type thing. I'll show you in a second. But yeah, so we're going to be doing that today. Oh crap. Yeah, so I'm going to be doing the headlights today. Hopefully it's quite straightforward. We'll see. This is supposed to be, this is something just to darken the front lights, as you can see at the moment. So we're going to get the overlay. I'll show you in a second what the tint looks like, but this is it. This is the headlights there. First things first, we have to remove these. Cool.
One love, y'all, cause we're together. United, baby. Under one roof, come on. In a house of sounds. It's one love, y'all, forever and ever. We are free, we are love. We're round, we're skinny. We're big, we're small. But we have love in our heart. And we want you in, as long as you bring the love. we want you in, as long as you bring the love.
It's quite nice actually. Nice little tint to the car. I think they did quite well actually tinting it. Hopefully it should reflect a bit less, because obviously at the moment it's just pointing straight up to the sky. I've tried to dial it but it doesn't go anymore. But yeah, it looks quite good. Let's close the bonnet and see. I think that looks mean. I think that looks amazing. That looks quite good actually. I would recommend, you can do it on any car. I've done it on this one. I was going to do it on a BMW, which I will do, but at the moment I'm still indecisive. I might be getting angel lights for it, so yeah, it is quite good. It looks quite nice actually. It just darkens it a bit, but yeah, it looks amazing. Very nice. I really like it. I might do the bottom ones as well. Actually, yeah, I might do the bottom ones later on, but for now I'll just do those. That looks mean. Looks very nice. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. I would recommend it. I'll leave a link to where I got it on. I just got it on eBay for like £10, I think. Yeah, I'll put a link in the description to where I bought these, because yeah, I recommend getting them. They look amazing. They look quite good as well. Yeah, look very nice. But yeah, also want to say that I will be announcing the winner from the giveaway. So if you want to go in my previous video and if you want to enter, just literally just go in the previous video, which is the Because Race Car box, and watch the video. At the end of it, it tells you how to enter, which is subscribe to my channel, like the video, and also comment down below in that previous video saying win, and I will be doing it next week. I will be announcing the winner. Yeah, so please leave a like and subscribe to this channel because there's more mods to come, especially on this project car. Obviously it's going to be a track car, but also trying to do a daily out of it. But yeah, peace.
Yeah. Die line with the boom pow. Every week now I switch to a new style. 212s in the back just blew out. Everything I do end up in the news now. Yeah.